Ooh, boys, look at this. What a beautiful view. Look at the dam today. We at the Coosa. With the family. With the whole family. But I'm gonna be doing some fishing. So no. I'm gonna be doing some fishing. Pills! Pills! Dude, that's crazy. That's a southern Alabama booty right there.
I feel like I'm in
What? Oh!
rescue.
Search and rescue.
We get it back in blood.
I know Dodger X knew who it was.
This is the fire rescue squad.
I'm the fire rescue squad.
Oh, they're swimming them through rapids.
Should we hit him?
16. What? 17.
Chest to the ground. Do it again.
Nobody like Goggins in this house.
16.
So they're just swimming them through rapids?
I guess so. I want to go swimming through rapids.
Can we go through here?
Thank you.
We'll try not to hit them.
Can't promise. No
It's
promise.
just extra training if we do.
Yeah, can they dodge the kayak? Let's play crossy. Let's play crossy kayak. Let's play crossy pizza. Crossy pizza. Hola. Good, how are you? Anybody want to ride?
Just go straight through. It's the main channel.
Weave. I also have fins on the bottom of the paddleboard, so. Yeah, but it doesn't help.
You got rocks too.
Yeah.
You want to stay in like the.
You! Are you going down backwards? I've seen people go down worse on paddleboard.
Dude, just go straight.
He's letting the river take it.
Your face.
I am the one who goes to the rapids.
Yarg! Yarg me matey. $360. I would go down backwards, but I don't know about that one, Chief. I'm hitting wrong. Wow. I'm hitting rocks. I was hitting rocks right there when I was paddling. Wow, I'm hitting rocks, buddy.
Get out!
Put it in reverse. made it worth it. Look at this. Oh, dude, my paddleboard. No! Hey, we shallow. Oh, look at this. Pull it in here. Coosa River spot, baby. Beautiful. I just caught him off a little pool. Hey, your paddle's about to go. Yo! Hey. Let's go. You did a great job parking. You're having a really tough time. There are you. Look at that beautiful fish. All right, I got to release him. Hopefully. Go, Nyla, go. I might flip. Ooh, she's already easy. Yeah, easy. Light work. Light work. Light work. Here we go. Look at that. Yeah. Let's go! Let's go! Mom and Dad flip. Woo! You got it? Hey, let me help. Everything kind of stayed in though, that's good. There you go, Mom and Dad. Again, they're gonna flip. Woo! Woo! Oh no. Oh no, don't flip, don't flip. Oh, they flipped. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good. Oh no, not again. Yeah, as long as I don't sleep, I'll be okay. Oh my God, how did I make that? Let's go! Hopefully I didn't poke a hole in my board. Oh, Nyla flipped too. Crap. Nyla, float! Oh, I didn't, let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! You need help? What? It's Dad's back. Okay. Are you in? That one was sick. Up my minnow. That lure is cooked. Coosa River spot, beautiful. Look how pretty he is. You!